A sedate day of trade, although you saw the markets actually pick up and close just 5 points shy of that 15,200 level on the index futures. But having said that, once you delve deeper into how the movement was today, while yes, there was a Hindalco, which was a big mover today, post its numbers and the management commentary, the big contribution today was coming in solely from Reliance Industries. Remember, Reliance contributes about 40% or rather 40 points to the Nifty weightage, and Reliance was a big mover today, managed to push 4.5% in the green. So had it not been for Reliance, perhaps we could have had a red day for ourselves, given how sedate and quiet the entire day was up until the last half hour of trade. Having said that, there was also a mover in Adani Ports, GAIL held out well, Sun Pharma did well, Power Grid, UPL, these were big winners, but nothing as compared to what Hindalco and Reliance Industries did. Idea as well spurred up quite nicely, about a 7.5% uptick coming in there as well. Some of the new age IT names did very well. What with the move coming in NAFL, Naukri, about a 6% dash there as well. MFSL as well was another mover from amongst the financial names. The one key trend that you're increasingly seeing in the market is the pre-positioning ahead of earnings, which is why on earnings day, even though the numbers are impressive, case in point being a Page Industries, which came out with its numbers post market hours yesterday, wherein they saw the highest ever revenue as well as profit, and then on earnings the stock actually cools off, and then after one or two trading sessions you finally see a move up coming in the stock. It happened with Tata Steel yesterday, with the Balakrishna day before, and that was the case with not just a Page but also with an MRF today, which saw a dip down of about 7.5% coming in just when we were waiting for the stock to actually touch the 6-digit figure. That's the 1 lakh rupee per share mark. NMDC, Aurobindo Pharma, these were some of the other pressure points, as was the case with the Bata, with the Eicher Motors, a BOB as well, which was a laggard in today's trading session. So that's really been the texture of the market. Talk about what the broader markets did, and you had 80 points which were actually standing to the advances to about 63 standing to the declines. Aside of the earnings that I just pointed out, you also have, remember, ITC. That's going to be a very important number to look out for. While a large portion of their revenues comes from the cigarette business, we're expecting the cigarette volumes to actually dip by about 5%. But I think the clear magic and what the street is really looking out for is what are they going to do in terms of the FMCG business, because we've seen as to how FMCG as an entire pack has done in the third quarter. So can really FMCG do the trick for ITC, and can they really come back to the black? That really remains to be seen, and that is something that the market is going to be reacting come tomorrow. Not just ITC, but some of the other earnings like a Power Grid as well are going to be on our radar.